Hello everyone, and welcome back to Better Life, your YouTube channel to improve your finance, health, work, life balance, finding your passion and purpose in life, and overall well-being. Life is a series of choices, each one shaping the trajectory of our personal and professional paths. The decisions we make determine the opportunities we seize, the challenges we face, and the success we achieve. Some decisions are minor, while others have life-altering consequences. Understanding the art of making the right choice is crucial for living a purposeful and fulfilling life. Goal-driven decision-making is a structured approach that helps individuals align their choices with their aspirations, values, and long-term objectives. By mastering this art, we can navigate complexities with confidence, clarity, and conviction. So make sure to watch this video until the end, because what you are about to hear is going to change your life forever. The importance of decision-making in life. Every day we make countless decisions, from what to eat for breakfast, to which career path to follow. While some choices require little thought, others demand careful consideration. Effective decision-making is essential for personal growth, professional success, and overall well-being. Poor choices can lead to setbacks, stress, and missed opportunities. On the other hand, well-informed decisions propel us towards our goals and contribute to a fulfilling life. Understanding the principles of goal-driven decision-making allows individuals to minimize uncertainty, avoid regrets, and maximize success. Understanding goal-driven decision-making. Goal-driven decision-making is a systematic process that ensures choices align with predefined objectives. Unlike impulsive or emotionally driven choices, goal-oriented decisions are based on logic, analysis, and a clear understanding of one's aspirations. The process involves the following steps. Step 1. Identifying your goals. Before making any decision, it is essential to define your short-term and long-term goals. Goals serve as a compass, guiding choices and preventing distractions. Without a clear goal, decisions can become arbitrary and lead to undesirable outcomes. Before we proceed, please give us a few seconds to talk about this video's partner and sponsor for US and Europe region. If you are living in Europe, today's sponsor is Resurgence, a tech brand that offers innovative and stunning solutions for everyday office and homework. The goal of Resurgence is to provide technology devices that can be used as accessories for computers, smartphones, and tablets. With a strong commitment to quality and user-friendly design, they strive to enhance productivity and convenience in your daily life. Whether you're working from home or on the go, Resurgence ensures you have the best tools to stay efficient and connected. Make sure to check the link down below to get the best possible offer. And if you are living in the US, today's deals is from Eufy. The brand Eufy believes all great smart home products need to be thoughtfully built from the start. From whole home security to smart cleaning solutions, Eufy's technology brings you expert protection and deep cleaning that's tailored to your lifestyle and creates human-first technology that enlivens the lives of everyone around you. Because care is what makes a house a home, everything Eufy build is built with care for you. Check out the link down below to get the best possible offer. Step 2. Gathering relevant information. Informed decisions require adequate research and analysis. Gather data, seek expert opinions, and assess all available options before making a choice. This reduces uncertainty and increases the likelihood of making a beneficial decision. Step 3. Weighing the pros and cons. Evaluating the advantages and disadvantages of each option is crucial. Listing the potential outcomes and their impact on your goals helps in making rational and well-balanced choices. Step 4. Considering values and priorities. Decisions should align with personal values, ethics, and priorities. A choice that conflicts with your core beliefs may lead to internal dissatisfaction, even if it appears beneficial in the short term. Step 5. Assessing risks and consequences. Every choice comes with inherent risks. Understanding these risks and their potential consequences allows individuals to make informed choices while minimizing adverse outcomes. Step 6. Seeking advice and perspectives. Consulting mentors, colleagues, or loved ones provides valuable insights. Different perspectives can help uncover blind spots and lead to a more comprehensive evaluation of available options. Step 7. Making a decision and taking action. Once all factors have been considered, it is essential to commit to a decision with confidence. Indecisiveness can lead to stagnation, whereas taking action fosters growth and progress. Step 8. Evaluating and learning from decisions. After making a decision, reflect on the outcomes and lessons learned. Continuous improvement in decision-making enhances one's ability to make better choices in the future. Overcoming common decision-making challenges. Despite following a structured approach, decision-making can still be challenging. Various psychological and external factors can impede the process. Understanding these challenges and developing strategies to overcome them is vital. Number 1. Fear of failure. The fear of making the wrong choice can paralyze you. To overcome this, remind yourself that no decision is perfect and mistakes are opportunities for growth. Focus on making the best decision with the information you have and be willing to adapt if needed. Number 2. Overwhelm. Having too many options can make it difficult to choose. To simplify the process, narrow down your options to the top 3 that align with your goals and values. This will make it easier to compare and evaluate them. Number 3. Emotional bias. Emotions can cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. To counteract this, take a step back and give yourself time to process your emotions. Use logic and reason to evaluate your options objectively. Number 4. External pressure. Sometimes external pressures from family, friends, or society can influence your decisions. Stay true to your goals and values and remember that this is your life. Seek advice from trusted sources, but ultimately, the decision should be yours. Number 5. Analysis, paralysis. Overanalyzing can lead to indecision. Set a deadline for making the decision and stick to it. Trust that you have done your due diligence and that it is time to take action. The role of intuition in decision-making. While goal-driven decision-making emphasizes logic and reason, intuition also plays a valuable role. Intuition is your subconscious mind processing information and experiences to guide you toward the right choice. It is that gut feeling that something is right or wrong. To harness the power of intuition, pay attention to your instincts and feelings when evaluating your options. If something feels off, even if it seems logical on paper, take the time to explore why. Conversely, if an option feels right, even if it involves some risk, trust that your intuition may be picking up on factors that your conscious mind has overlooked. However, intuition should not replace rational analysis. Instead, use it as a complementary tool to validate your decisions. When your intuition aligns with your goals and values, you can move forward with greater confidence. Decision-making in different aspects of life. First, career and professional growth. Choosing a career path, switching jobs, or making business decisions requires careful planning. Consider long-term career goals, industry trends, and personal strengths when making professional choices. Second, personal relationships. Relationship decisions should be based on compatibility, shared values, and mutual respect. Evaluating the long-term impact of choices helps in fostering meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Third, financial decisions. From investments to budgeting, financial choices impact long-term stability. Assessing risks, conducting research, and seeking financial advice contribute to sound decision-making in this area. Fourth, health and well-being. Decisions regarding diet, exercise, and lifestyle choices influence overall well-being. Prioritizing health-related goals ensures a balanced and fulfilling life. Fifth, personal growth and learning. Choosing to invest in education, skill development, and personal growth determines future success. Continuous learning enhances decision-making capabilities and overall life satisfaction. Cultivating a decision-making mindset. Developing a goal-driven decision-making mindset requires practice and self-awareness. Here are key habits to cultivate. Self-reflection. Regularly evaluate past decisions and their outcomes to improve future choices. Continuous learning. Stay informed, seek new knowledge, and adapt to changing circumstances. Resilience. Accept setbacks as part of the process and use them as stepping stones for growth. Time management. Allocate time wisely for decision-making to avoid rushed or impulsive choices. Confidence. Trust in your ability to make sound decisions and take responsibility for outcomes. In conclusion, the art of making the right choice in life is a skill that can be cultivated through goal-driven decision-making. By setting clear goals, aligning your decisions with your values, and following a structured process, you can make choices that lead to long-term success and fulfillment. While challenges and uncertainties are inevitable, staying focused on your objectives and remaining adaptable will help you navigate life's complexities with confidence and purpose. Ultimately, the quality of your life is a reflection of the quality of your decisions. By mastering the art of goal-driven decision-making, you take control of your destiny and create a life that is not only successful, but also deeply meaningful. So, the next time you face a difficult choice, remember to pause, reflect on your goals and values, and choose the path that aligns with the life you want to build. If you like this content, make sure to watch our other life improvement-related videos. And once again, thank you for watching.